Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to stain a new deck. This video is perfect for you if you've recently had a brand new deck installed, or if you've installed a deck within the last year that hasn't been previously coated. If your deck is older than this, or has been previously coated, you might want to check out one of our other videos, which might be more suitable for your circumstances. That's because there's different types of preparation required for different types of deck, depending on their condition. And in this video, we're going to be talking to you specifically about how to repair a new deck. When you're staining a new deck for the first time, you need to make sure there's no pre-treatment present on the deck from before it was purchased. This is because it can stop the stain from sticking, which means that your deck won't be protected and looking as good as it can for as long as it can. Don't worry, because there's two different ways you can make sure this pre-treatment is gone. Either you can allow the deck to weather for 6 months, or you can use Ronseal Decking Cleaner and Reviver to get straight to work. Start by giving it a brush. Protect any plants or grass with a dust sheet. Then pour your cleaner directly onto your decking. With your brush, scrub the deck to remove all the dirt and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. To wash it off, it's best to use a pressure washer, but a hose will do. Work from one end of the decking to the other in one continuous motion and your deck is clean. Only when the deck is completely dry can you then get started with the stain. When using Ronseal's Ultimate Protection Decking Stain, the truth's in the name. It gives you ultimate protection for twice as long as standard decking stains. And why use a stain on new decks? Well, they give great protection, vibrant colour, and allow the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. Today we're going for natural oak. Give it a good stir, and with a thick brush, dip and go with the grain. To make things easier, you can use one of our applicator pads. Either way, take 3 or 4 panels at a time to avoid overlap marks. After 4 hours, it will be dry and ready for its second coat. After waiting 4 hours for that to